Well, we do, of course, remain dry here in East Texas. This is the 31st day in a row that we have not seen any rainfall in Tyler, Longview, or Lufkin. So the drought is back. We do have moderate drought that extends down into Anderson and Cherokee counties northward all the way up through Sulphur Springs. Almost all the rest of East Texas is in a moderate drought. This is a severe drought. I think I misspoke there. But anyway, burn bans are in effect for 21 of our 26 East Texas counties. So it's a good idea not to do any burning anywhere in East Texas, whether your county has a declared burn ban or not, because we are so dry. We do have a frontal boundary into the area, and if you look into the northeast part of our area, you'll see some showers popping up there, and that continues at this hour. Now, it's not really going to end the drought for most of East Texas, but some folks are getting their lawns watered there in the northeast portion of the area, and that is up around Lake of the Pines, also up into Cass County, where most of these showers are occurring, and occasionally a little lightning coming out of that activity. Not anticipating anything in the way of severe weather even over the next several days, but we do expect to get some relief from the dry conditions coming up. This is how things should shape up. That frontal boundary pushes down to the Gulf Coast. This is Sunday evening at 6 o'clock. We'll have some clouds scattered around. Not expecting to see any rainfall again tomorrow or the early part of the week. But we do have a developing upper level storm system that will be getting stronger, and that is going to be pushing down into our area, bringing us a chance of rain as moisture ahead of that system builds up. And when it arrives in the area, our chances of rain will be increasing. That's mainly going to be happening later in the day on Wednesday night, and actually on into the weekend. We're expecting to see a chance of that rain. Until then, we continue to be very warm over the southeast quarter of the country, all the way back out to the southern Rockies, and some of that warmth starting to flow northward into the northern plains. Here in East Texas, we are seeing our temperatures right now in the 80s, as we did manage to get above the normals again by about 10 or 12 degrees today. Sunday morning will be down into the 60s for most of East Texas, middle 60s to low 60s, and also up in the north, some low 60s expected there near the interstates. Forecast high temperatures Sunday afternoon will again be warm into the middle 80s, this time without rainfall. Now, over the next 7 days, start off the week with temperatures running about 10 degrees above the normal for this time of the year. However, by Thursday, as that next system arrives and a chance of rain gets here, we'll see those temperatures falling down back to normal into the middle 70s for highs. Overnight, we're expecting a low of 65, partly cloudy skies. We'll have a little morning fog tomorrow. The rest of the day looks mostly sunny with a high near 85, and over the next 7 days, you see the big change coming about midweek when our chances for rain do go up. It does look like it'll be the rainiest there on Halloween, so you'll need to make sure the trick-or-treaters have a way to stay dry out there. And for the temperatures, of course, they'll be coming down as well. You can check that forecast anytime at KETK.com.